Hello everyone, do you know World Environment Day falls in the month of June?
Yes, I know. It falls on 5th of June. Today, we from Shraddha Olympiad School's Nature Navigators Club are observing World Environment Day.
Friends, we all are here to protect our environment. We shall share small simple steps to make our planet more greener.
Join us in making a difference. Every small step counts. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Sankalp Birnale from Shraddha Olympiad School.
I am Ranveer Nimbarkar from Shraddha Olympiad School.
Today we are going to share you steps of making seed bombs. First, it is easy to make seed bombs. Take 3/4 of soil or clay and 1/4 of compost.
Shape them into small balls and let them dry.
We can just throw them into barren areas or parks.
Seed bombs helps in increase green cover and conserving biodiversity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vrunda Rathi from Shraddha Olympiad School. Hello everyone, I am Swara Maitre from Shraddha Olympiad School. Great, we came to know about how to make seed bombs. But why do we need seed bombs? Seed bombs help restore green cover and bring life to the barren lands. That's right, they are small balls made up of clay, soil and seeds designed to germinate and grow into plants. By throwing them into the areas which need greenery, we can help nature flourish and support our biodiversity. Seed bombs are simple yet powerful way to make a difference. They require minimal maintenance, can thrive in harsh conditions and beautify our surroundings. So let's join our hands to preserve our nature for future generations. Every seed bomb counts and together we can make a greener, healthier planet. Thank you.
Nurture nature, secure future.
Nurture nature, secure future.